So recently our friends have been all like, where is Chris going? What is he doing? Why? Because my husband, Chris, is doing a little something adventurous. What are you up to coming up next week, Chris?
I am going on a 5-day backpacking trip to Montana.
And okay, so backpacking. We've been camping before and we fill our entire van and take 2 coolers. This is different.
This is different. Carrying everything on the back and all my food, and gotta have a way to drink water too.
This man's crazy. So he's been buying all sorts of, I don't even know, out there expensive gear. And we started looking into this Grayl water bottle, which will remove all the contaminants and then some. So will you drink out of a stream?
Yeah, stream or pond or whatever water source we can find.
All right, so let's dig into this thing. This is our unboxing, and then we'll come back after his trip, provided he makes it home, and tell you what we think. Okay, so what do you know about this bottle? How does it work?
Yeah, so it seems to be pretty simple. You take this outer section off here, and you fill it up with the stream water, and then it's just a matter of pushing this down through the water, and it filters it out for you. And then they do say that, yeah, and then they say that you got to use your body weight. But it takes about 8 seconds, I guess, to do that. And then it's a built-in water bottle as well to drink out of.
That's amazing. So we know that the Grayl bottle filters out not only contaminants and pesticides, but also bacteria, viruses, parasites, cysts. I can't believe any of that would be in our water, so that's gross. But it also should be able to be used to filter city water or well water too, to get out the chlorine and the taste and contaminants there. So this will be kind of nice because my parents have well water, which I grew up on, but Chris hates. So I can see you bringing this every time we visit my parents too, and just using it. So when you're out in the wild, will you drink out of this, or you'll fill something larger with this?
Both, yeah.
Okay.
And that's one of the things I like about it, is that it's a water bottle and a filter combined. Some of the filters I looked into, of course, they're just pumps. So I figured this will take the spot of the water bottle I was going to bring. So that kind of, it is,
it's tight.
Takes some strength, yeah.
Yep. Okay.
But that's got to be watertight, obviously, so that the dirty water doesn't mix with the drinking water.
Right. Okay. Yeah, so because then you don't have to carry an extra tool as just a filter. This is your filter and water. Oh, that was easy to push. But I opened the lid. That made it easier for me to push, I think.
Yeah, that's part of the instructions, is to vent the lid so that the air can come out.
Okay. So it's super interesting. Obviously, clean water is important, not only when you're out in the backcountry, carrying everything on your back, but also just day to day. I mean, we filter our water every single day. And so this is a nice option.
Apparently those are really popular for people traveling abroad to avoid viruses that might give you stomach issues.
Yeah, and bacteria, right? When you hear Montezuma's Revenge, and then I don't know what it's called when you go to India, but everybody gets sick when they go to foreign countries. And so this would be so easy to take with you, and it really doesn't take up much more space than just a water bottle.
Right.
Just that little filter. So this is the Grayl GeoPress. And purification, filtration, it says on the bottom. Chris is going to try this out in the back country of Montana, and provided he makes it back, we'll let you know how it goes. I'm Katie Kimball from kitchenstewardship.com, helping you balance your health, your environment, your time, and your budget, and keeping alive out in the wilderness.